to...
Hi there, Stephanie Kammerman. We are live from the Orlando Money Show 2018. This has been a fantastic show. I think we got so many people here. I'm here with Markus, by the way, from Rockwell Trading.
Oh, yep.
And Markus, I think this is like one of the biggest turnouts here. I think people are worried about the market, you know. When everything is great, everybody's a genius, right?
Right,
You just
exactly.
throw a dart, everybody thinks that they're a trader.
Yeah.
But when things don't go right, that's when people say, maybe I need an education.
Absolutely.
Maybe
And this is what
I
we
need-
see here. Tons of people here. It's amazing.
I thought I knew what I was doing, but I didn't. So I know you have indicators, right?
Yes.
And your indicators told you to go short, you know.
Well, here's one of the things. You see, one of my basic principles is trade what you see, not what you think.
Right.
Because whenever I thought I knew about the markets, I was dead wrong, right? So this is where I learned to rely on indicators, because for me, indicators are more objective, right? I mean, they tell me either the RSI is above 50 or it's not, right? I mean, there's no room for interpretation, and this helped my trading.
So you use the RSI.
It's one of the indicators. I like to use 3 indicators, just because I like for indicators to confirm each other.
Right.
So one of the indicators that I'll use is the Stochastics D. So I'm using the slow stochastics, I'm using the RSI, and I'm using the MACD. So we have 2 oscillators and 1 momentum indicator.
So when did those indicators tell you, hey, we're at the mark? Because we've been going up for a very long time.
Right.
Right. So when did those indicators turn and say, hey, we're going to have a correction?
Yeah, I'm more of a short-term trader. So for me, I like to hold a trade between 5 and 20 days. So I'm a very active trader. I'm not the buy and hope investor, right, who just hopes that the market continues to go up. And therefore, my settings are set for short-term trading. So in fact, I did a 3-day live trading seminar when the market tanked and dropped 1,000 points. And the indicators were already telling us to go short, which we did on that day, so we made money.
So how do you trade? What do you use as a vehicle to short the market?
Okay, so first of all, I like to trade stocks and options. And you know, you can sell short stocks. You can't do it in a retirement account. But what you can do is buy puts, right? And this is what I always say, keep it easy. Because if you can't make money keeping it easy, right? I mean, why do you think when you keep it more complicated? Same with options, right? So I like to buy calls when the market is going up, buy puts when the market is going down. And then, once you master simplicity, you earn complexity. Then you can use more complicated stuff like, I don't know, bull spreads, bear spreads, butterflies, iron condors, whatever you want to use.
Yeah, but keeping it simple is good. When we come back, we're going to talk a lot more about this with Markus. Stay tuned.